Hey guys, it's Poverty's a Bitch, and this is the design side for characters. It is April 18th. So, characters are actually rather simple to design. It's straightforward, we can all pretty much understand it. But, stupid ants, Jesus. Die. Ding! I have now leveled up. I am Ant Killer level 2. Back to reality. So, you know, characters. Names, level, experience, health, current, max, items, which is part of inventory, skills, quests, location. These are what I've decided is what's needed for the character. But the one thing to think about long term is, how is this different from a creature, monster, or NPC? So, sorry. Alright, as I free up my hand here. So, creature, monster, NPC, you know, bunny or a merchant, yeah, needs a name. Level, that would be helpful, you know, so you're not always fighting the exact same level of monster. Experience, instead of what your total is, it is what they give. Health, obviously, min, max, or current max, actually. Items, inventory. It depends really on how you want to set up your inventory, your items in the game. Do you want the items to be limited, like there's only 20 iron swords, you know, 10 steel swords, and like 2 titanium swords? Great, you know, you're going to have to track that. So, items inventory, which means that when a monster picks it up, it doesn't just disappear. The monster actually holds it. When he dies, he drops exactly what he has. So if items just disappear, you know, people can't seem to find it, it's not on a character, then it's probably stuck on a monster somewhere. If the monster despawns, so does the item, but then it can be a random drop from a treasure chest. So if you want limited items, yes, your creatures are going to carry things. Or items can be a range of items that could naturally fall. Tattered gloves, rotting rat tail, whatever you want. Skills, most games are all about grinding, and I just hate it. Grinding is boring. So the skills I'm going to keep very simple, but yeah, what are these skills for the creatures? Can they do magic? Are they archers? Are they throwing fireballs? So NPCs, same thing. What's their skill? Like, you know, they could be a craftsman or something, but not really too necessary for creatures like a bunny. What's a bunny's skill? I don't know. Nibbling? Quests. This I'll decide later. It's a bit complex and it needs to be designed by itself. But yeah, the character is going to be where it gets tracked. It's not, quests are not going to be tracked on your account. It's not going to be tracked on, you know, if you do server client later on, it's not going to be tracked on the somewhere in its own list on the server. No, it's going to be associated with the character. So you have to go to the characters to find out the quest. Now NPCs, yeah, they can give quests. Monsters, creatures, they can be quest items. Therefore, or they could drop items for a quest. And then finally, location. What's your map locate? Which map are you on? What XY are you at? So I pretty much described that. So names, no spaces, no symbols, no numbers. So no exclamation points, no commas, no dashes or underscores. It's a simple game, so we're going to keep it simple to 10 levels. Experience, you kill one monster, you're now level, you start at level 1, kill one monster, you're level 2. Kill a total of 3, kill a total of 6, 10, 15, 21, you see the pattern. You know, you kill 1, kill 2, kill 3, kill 4, kill 5. By this point you're up to 15 kills. Kill 6, 7, 8, 9, and we don't want an 11th level since we're not really starting at 0. This is to get to level 2, you have to kill one monster. So, on to health. 10 points, and to start, you gain, every level you gain 2 to 4 points. Is going to be a random number, but I'm thinking, meh, you know, it's not too unfair. If someone gets 2s the whole time, they're going to do fine. Items, 12 items max. no weight limit. We're keeping it simple. Skills, 10 points. 10 points max, as in 10 levels for each skill, and you get like +1 damage. Sword, shield, well, you don't really get damage on a shield. If you do smite, maybe, but that's defense. So, and then two-handed sword, one-handed and two-handed axe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's going to be 5 skills. Later on there could be tons, as many as you want. It could be everything from agriculture to kicking skills. Questing, this will be designed later. And then finally, location is your map number. You've got, in this game, new game, there's going to be 3 maps. So in castle, outside of castle, and under castle. So this is going to be the dungeon, this will be outside, and that will be an inside. So it's rather simple, rather straightforward. So all of this stuff can, of course, apply to creatures, monsters, and NPCs. So I'm going to set it up as a general thing, and then general class, and then, you know, create a class called character, which is you, or player. And since we're text-based, don't need a description, don't need graphics, don't need looks. So creature, monster, NPC can all be the same thing. So monster is a dangerous creature. Creature is a non-dangerous, as in non-aggressive, aggressive, and a merchant. So that's the way it's going to be. So there is the design side. Rather simple, rather straightforward. So let's get to it. So thank you for watching. This has been Poverty's a Bitch.